In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Suno AI and get started on your next project. Whether you're editing a podcast, a simple voice memo, or any other kind of audio file, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Let's dive right in. First, to access Suno AI, start by making your way to their website on your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the login section. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials precisely, ensuring that your email or username is accurately inputted, along with your password. If it's been a while since you've accessed your account and you're having trouble remembering your password, fear not. Most accounts have a forgot password feature that will guide you through retrieving or resetting it securely. Once done, hit the login button and wait as you are directed to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to initiate your audio project. Look towards the main options, and you should see something that says Upload Audio, or perhaps a button for starting a new project. Clicking on this is your gateway to bringing your audio files into the platform for editing. It's a simple interface designed with intuitive usability in mind, so even if this is your first time, Suno AI has made sure to keep all primary functions well within reach. Next up is the selection of audio files from your device. You'll typically be prompted with a window that allows you to navigate through your folders to find the audio files you wish to upload. Ensure that your files are properly labeled to save time and avoid any mix-up. Choose the files you want to work with and confirm your selection. Suno AI supports various audio formats, so you shouldn't run into any compatibility issues here. After selecting your audio, all that's left is to wait for the upload process to finish. This might take a few moments depending on the file size and your internet connection speed, so patience is key. Once your upload is complete, you're set to embark on the creative process of editing. The platform will take you directly into the editing environment where you'll see your uploaded audio files ready to be manipulated. And there you have it. You're all set up within Suno AI to edit your audio files as creatively or efficiently as you desire. Remember, practice is key. Becoming familiar with all the features might take a little time, but soon you'll be navigating through audio editing like a pro. Happy